Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smart bird feeder camera battery is draining much faster than expected, it doesn't always mean the battery is worn out. You may notice that a full charge only lasts a day or two, even though the camera was designed to run much longer. Frequent live viewing, constant motion recordings, poor Wi-Fi signal, and high detection sensitivity can all cause the camera to use more power than normal. Instead of charging the battery every day, it's worth making a few adjustments that can significantly improve battery life. In this video, I'll show you the steps you can try to reduce battery drain and keep your smartbird feeder camera running longer between charges. 1. Charge the battery completely before regular use. 2. Move the feeder closer to a stronger Wi-Fi signal. 3. Lower the motion detection sensitivity and recording frequency. 4. Reduce unnecessary live viewing and notification activity. 5. Update the camera firmware through the companion app. 6. Restart the camera after applying the new settings.